presents. So I want to thank you all for being here. I want to thank you for your energy and your enthusiasm and your advice and all that you do to help aspiring entrepreneurs. And I want to thank all the entrepreneurs in the room for taking that risk to start something, create something, and truly make an impact. Before our students begin their pitches, why don't you please join me in thanking all the speakers and the sponsors and the participants here at this conference for all the hard work that they've put forth to make a great experience. I also want to thank all the organizers. James Delatre, thank you so much for all you do on behalf of this, but the entire Penn State team. You've just done a wonderful job, and I think this is fantastic, and then I realize each year we were just getting started the year before. So now we get to move on to my favorite part of this conference, the Penn State Student Startup Showcase. So the students will give 1-minute pitches that they developed as part of Inc.U, a student entrepreneurship funding competition, or the Summer Founders Program in partnership with the Happy Valley Launchbox. Now feel free to seek out these students later in the day and find out more about what it is that they're doing. The 8 presenters that we have here today have already been selected to receive $2,000 to invest in their growing businesses. So I'll have the opportunity as we go along to present each of them with their check on stage. But let's get started. First up is Ben Cutler, a senior studying industrial engineering. His company is CastPack.
All right, good morning, everyone. So my name is Ben Cutler, and I'm one of the 3 co-founders at CastPack. So at CastPack, we create a turnkey, high-quality live streaming solution built for videographers. Videographers are typically going and filming events like weddings, and they're using that content so you can watch it later on. But at CastPack, we like to help videographers explore a new market and help them think about how they can use live streaming to expand beyond the people who can attend to those who can't. Currently, when they try to live stream, videographers have to rely on cell phones, but they can't do high-quality video over the cellular network. But using the CastPack, which is our portable solution with patented technology, we're able to reliably stream HD video over the cellular network. With live stream, over the past several months, we have live streamed over 60 events with our streaming as a service business model, and we are currently in the midst of developing a mobile application to make it even easier to set up a professional live stream. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about CastPack or streaming as a service, please come talk to me afterwards. Thank you.
Next is Tamala Sorensits, who earned a bachelor's degree in agricultural sciences and is now pursuing a master's degree in applied statistics through the World Campus. The company is Argo Lytics, LLC.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Tamala. I am the founder of Argolytics. At Argolytics, we make quality control software for small and medium-sized manufacturers. The problem that manufacturers have is that 15% of their revenue is spent addressing issues of poor quality, such as scrap, rework, and warranty claims. For a small manufacturer, 15% represents $3 million every year in lost revenue. So at Argolytics, our first product, Trendable, is trying to address this issue. Trendable is a web-based SaaS quality control reporting solution. It's lightweight and affordable for small manufacturers, and it's the only quality control software on the market that does long-term historical trend analysis. So not only alerting a manufacturer to an out-of-spec part, but also allowing them to visualize their trends so they can take action before a bad part is made. So it's a very exciting time for us. Just this week, we received our first round of funding through Ben Franklin Technology Partners. And then in the next 2 weeks, we're going to actually be launching the commercial product of Trendable. So thank you very much to everyone here in the audience who's part of the Penn State startup community. You've got us this far, and we're going to charge ahead. And if you'd like to speak more about my product, please see me here in the conference or visit argolytics.com. Thank you.
Next is Robert Uzo, who is a Bachelor of Science MBA program in Eberly College of Science. His company is ClotNet. ClotNot.
So before I introduce myself, I'd like to ask you all a question. How many people do you think suffer from blood clots each year? You may be surprised to find that the number exceeds 10 million people worldwide. My name is Robert Uzo, and I'm the co-inventor and vice president of the ClotNot, a simple therapeutic device that allows patients to continue manual blood clot prevention at home. My story begins 3 years ago, when my technology teacher, mentor, and friend suffered a near-fatal pulmonary embolism. In response to this event, I created the ClotNot, which extends the use of chambered compression stockings that are already provided to most inpatients by hospitals in the United States. Rather than throwing chambered compression stockings out upon discharge from the hospital, the ClotNot simply attaches to the end of the stocking and allows patients and caregivers alike to participate in manual compression therapy as part of their daily routine to prevent blood clots. Our patent-pending device has been through its first prototype and can be 3D printed for less than $10. We're currently working on further prototypes and hope to begin physical therapy trials early next year. Thank you for your time.
Next is Austin Whitmer. He graduated in May with a degree in microbiology, and his company is Dermatolomy.
Thank you, President Barron. Hi, my name is Austin Whitmer, and I'm the founder of Dermatolomy. Dermatolomy is the 23andMe for acne. It is a lab testing company that helps identify the best antibiotic treatment for teens struggling with severe, persistent acne. Currently, about 85% of teens in the U.S. struggle with acne today, which is very difficult to treat because dermatologists can only assess the condition by sight. Prescription of treatment is akin to trial and error and can result in a significant waste of time, money, and stress. I sacrificed all three of those things in order to clear my acne, and it's why I founded this company. A provisional patent has been filed for the testing protocol to identify the best treatment for each teen. We are currently working to sufficiently validate that protocol. Once validated, we will apply for FDA clearance to market the service and begin accepting first users. Thank you all so much for your time and attention. My name is Austin Whitmer, founder of Dermatolomy, and we are the 23andMe for acne.
Fun. I like handing out checks, too. I like collecting them, and I like handing them out. Both are a lot of fun. Okay, next is Joel Seidel, a junior in the Smeal College of Business. His company is Maverick Software Solutions.
Hello, everyone. As Dr. Barron said, I'm Joel Seidel, the co-founder of Maverick Software Systems. And at Maverick, we're looking to help hospitals by providing them with actionable data that they can use today to improve the quality of care that they provide. So take a high-level quality metric that a hospital would use. For example, readmission rate. It is estimated by Medicare that $528 million is going to be lost in Medicare reimbursement by hospitals due to entirely preventable readmissions. That's a lot of money to be losing on a metric that can be misleading. Both hospitals and Medicare define readmission as coming back to the hospital for any reason within 30 days of treatment. It might not have anything to do with the quality of the care you received at the outset, but it's hurting these hospitals. So the hospitals have the data to be able to determine the relevance of a readmission event, but it's locked away in their electronic health record systems with a million other records. And the time that it would take and the effort that it would take to pull it out and analyze it just isn't worth it for these hospitals. But they're losing so much money. At Maverick, we're building a software solution to automate this process, as well as other data analysis. We want to provide hospitals with the data that they need to determine what is a real quality problem that they can take control of, what they can start working on today to help their patients, and provide them with a baseline to compare themselves to other hospitals. So we've been working with the Summer Founders Program over the last few months, and we're working very, very hard on a minimum viable product to get it out there and help patients as soon as possible. Thank you.
Next is Andrew Brandt. He is an alumnus of Penn State, and his company With-U app, One Click LLC.
My name is Andrew Brandt. I am the co-founder of the With-U app. With-U is a campus safety application that allows for a truly direct connection between the student and campus police. That direct connection has given us the ability to cut response time at the University of Scranton during simulated tests nearly in half. The analysis of student data also allows universities to be proactive about problematic areas on campus, and students can discreetly or anonymously tip police of a certain issue before a problem happens. One Click LC won the Altoona Pector Business Plan competition, and we were members of the Summer Founders Program this past year. And we believe with modern day technology that no one should feel alone, and that's why we are with you.
Next is Ali Izzo, who graduated in May 2018 with a degree in Human Development and Family Studies. The company is Purpose Therapy Box.
Hello, my name is Ali Izzo. I'm a certified occupational therapy assistant and the co-founder of Purpose Therapy Box. Purpose is a subscription box company geared towards the older adult population. While working in nursing homes, Holly and I noticed that many of our patients were isolated and disconnected from their family members, which can lead to a loss of independence and social withdrawal. We created Purpose to keep those families connected while using our knowledge and profession to send functional products. There are over 43,000 senior care facilities in the United States, and 60% of those residents do not receive visitors. In addition to winning the investment this year, we were also chosen as a top 10 FedEx grant winner out of 13,000 companies and nationally recognized by our profession for bringing new and innovative perspective to our growing field. Holly and I would love to meet you all today, so please come and find us afterwards and help us remind older adults they still have a purpose. Thank you.
Final student presenter is Jack Quinn, who is a junior studying computer science and economics. His company is Loan Crunch.
All right. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much. So my name is Jack Quinn. I'm the co-founder of Loan Crunch, and I'm here today because 45 million student borrowers owe a collective $1.6 trillion in student loans nationwide. Take, for example, Jamison Clark. So Jamison is a recent college graduate. He just got his degree in the mail, but right behind it is a letter containing his first bill for his student loans. Now, Jameson is confused, he's anxious, and he's worried because he doesn't know how much he owes in total. He doesn't know what payments to send to what servicers, and he doesn't know how to figure it out. And Jameson is not alone because 85% of student borrowers feel the same way. So my co-founder and I decided it was time to do something about that. So we created Loan Crunch, which is a platform that allows students to easily understand, manage, and pay all of their student loans all from one place. We're not a consolidator and we're not a bank, but we are your co-pilot for navigating your student loans. We're currently in our MVP stage and we hope to launch this spring. Thank you.
And giving all of these students a round of applause. And I thank you for being here, and please enjoy the rest of the conference and your day. Thank you.